Hi guys, I'm back. So this is just kind of where I left off at from the video I did about an hour or so ago. Um, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what Edmudo.com is. They actually have a new version of Edmudo.com, which is what we're looking at right now. There was an old version years ago. It's pretty much the same. They just kind of updated it. So let me just tell you a little bit about Edmudo.com. So I generally put YouTube, Zoom, and a lot of other information on here as well. You guys can see there are different classes on here. The main program of the billing and coding courses is Sapphire Financial Training LLBC Fink. The LLBC Fink is Lisa Lambert, Billing and Coding Finance, and the K is for Corinne, my daughter. So that's the slogan. Now, there are 4 or 5 classes in here. This is because I have different students in different classes. So I might have a student who's just doing coding. There might be one just doing billing, and there might be students just doing medical terminology. So I'm just going to kind of click on this, and this is the Sapphire coding class. You see, it's a totally different class, and it has different things in there. So this course is geared towards the coding students only. So there might be stuff in this program that's just for the coding students. You see where it says class code lock? I can invite anybody to this class. I can shoot you an email with the code, and that's how you sign up for the class. Okay, and remember, this is free. This is free. Okay, so again, I put stuff in here. There's other stuff in here that people are posting. You guys can talk in here. If I send a group email, normally I'll send it from here, and you all of you guys will get it. And if you guys respond to me, just make sure you're only responding to me if you want to. If you respond and it's just for me, make sure it goes to me. If you want to respond to the whole class, that's fine. So let's go down. Okay, so I'm clicking on classes, right? This is the Sapphire Financial Training, Coding, and Billing. I have a lot of students in this course. These are the same students that's in the Sapphire Physician program that's online. That's the other course. That is a fee. Okay, we don't post everything that we do in the program here, but I do give students an opportunity to see what it's about. Go into the sport, see what the Sapphire Financial Training, Physician, and Coding is about, and see if you really want to join the program. Because basically, I split it up. You guys hear me say that all the time, because I don't want everybody paying, $500 and $600 for a program when you guys don't finish. Because I have students who've paid all that money and have not finished, and I don't get refunds, so that's out the door. So now you guys can pay $10 or $15 for, an individual course. But anyway, same thing. You guys see Sapphire Financial Training, Coding, and Billing. This is the class code. It will be a different class code that I will send you to be in this classroom. So if I send out a group or a massive email, it will only be for the students that are in this classroom. Okay, and the same, you guys can send me a message here, post something here, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. It's free. You can send me an email here, XYZ, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's go to the next class. Okay, this is the Sapphire Medical Billing class. Totally different students in here. As you guys can see, this program is a little bit different from the other program. And in this program, some of the students that are in this program, they've been here for a minute. I'm going to just go in here and I'm going to post that video that I did a few minutes ago. You see, that's when you sign in, you'll have the same opportunity to post what you want to me or to the rest of the class. But those students that are in here, I'm just going to go ahead and send that same video to them. And you can send me a message through Edmudo, just like how you would Sapphire Physician Coding Program. It's the same thing. The only difference is in this class, I need to come into this class and see what it is. Because if I don't have my phone, I don't see it. But again, all the classes are on my phone, so you guys know I'm always available. Also, if you want to send me an email, you can send it through here, no problem. I'll still get it. Okay. Sometimes I do respond to you guys through Edmudo. So even if you send me an email, I might send you guys a message from Edmudo, okay? So let's go down. This is Sapphire Medical Terminology class. This class you can go into if you want to, but all the courses actually have medical terminology in it. This is just for people who just want to kind of learn about medical terminology. I don't have the books out. I do have my coding books out. That's because I'm updating my medical billing and coding Q&A book. But this is primarily for medical terminology students that want to kind of get abreast on some of the medical terminology. I don't have the book in front of me, but you guys know that big book that I use for medical terminology. You just kind of go over that. And that's what this class is about. It's actually paperwork in the library in this course that you can find. I'll post it normally because I don't, you guys go to the library, it's overwhelming. I have so much stuff in there. So I don't want you to do that. Tell me what you want. I'll go ahead and post it. If you feel like, you want to go to the library, go ahead. Pick out whatever you want. But that stuff is kind of limited because if you go there and you want more, I got to direct you to the Sapphire Physician Coding Program. Okay? So let's go here. And this is just the classes. So most of you are in the Sapphire Financial Training, Coding, and Billing. But this is just to give you an insight of what this class is about, okay? I'll probably do the Sapphire Physician Coding class review probably next Sunday. But for now, let's just do the newedmudo.com. I'm going to go into, let's go to progress. So your screen is not going to be like mine. I'm going in as the instructor, so it won't be like mine. It'll be a little bit different. So this is the administrator screen. So it won't exactly look like this. You guys won't see all this stuff that's actually on here. So you'll see what is intended for you. Let's move down to progress. That's progress. Now, you remember when I said that your grades will be here, okay? Pick the course, Sapphire Financial Training. Now, remember what I told you. That is the main course. That's the name of the full program. Billing and coding are just two programs that we do. Medical terminology is just another program, okay? But I do have it split up. But all the grades will go here. So I'm going to click on that. Now, you see these grades? This is the grade folder. Okay, these are people who have turned in grades to me already this week. So this is medical terminology pre-exercise 1. You have that. Matter of fact, these exercises are in the Sapphire program. They are not in Edmudo. You have to be enrolled in the Sapphire program to get them. If you have the medical terminology language of medicine book, they are in there. Okay, your grade is posted here. And I did this as like an example so y'all can see. Okay. She got 100 out of 100, 100 out of 100, 100 out of 100. Exercise 4, okay? Let's go back. 1. Okay, this is the billing book. Remember the book I was telling you guys about, Insurance Handbook? I feel like I'm talking all fast. You guys come back on, just let me know. Miss Lambert, you talking too fast, slow down. So, anyway, the Insurance Handbook you're going to use for this. So this is billing chapter 1. When you hand that in, I will put your grades here. Okay. This is for that. Okay. As we go down, this is it. I don't have any more tests for you guys to do. This is your test that you're going to do. Okay. The code in the SBS, that's the step-by-step book. You remember your step-by-step book that you have. Okay. That's your medical terminology chapter. Okay. That's totally different from the exercises. Okay. These tests are in the physician coding program. That's where you have to get them. They are not in Edmudo. And that's a math test. I gave you guys that math test. That's just for your benefit, just to kind of brush up on your stuff. Okay, that's those pre-exercise. So, let's see what we got in here. Let's go back home. I want to go home so I could show you guys when you guys do the first page. Okay, so when you guys do send me a message, it will come through here. I don't know if I got messages in there, so I don't want to blast out somebody. Okay, let's go back. I don't want to blast somebody's message out. But that's where the messages go. This is Discover. You'll find files there. So basically, that's what we wanted to kind of talk about. Well, I wanted to talk about. There was something else I wanted to talk about on the YouTube that I did a few minutes ago. Oh, there's a new use section in the ICD-10 book. Now that's the COVID code, U07.1. Okay, COVID-19. So and it's not in the usual place. They put it in the last part of in the last section. Okay, let me see. Yeah, they got it in the last section, but it is. I wrote something down. Oh, okay. Codes for special purposes. U00 to U85. I can't switch out and do the book because then I'm going to mess up this whole frame right here because this is what I have in front of me. But when I do the video next weekend, I'm going to do it with the ICD-10 book so you can see where those U codes are. There's only one in there now, but I'm pretty sure they'll get more because you remember we've got the Omicron and a couple of other metastasizes or metastasis or whatever you want to call it, which means that it's developed into something else. So you have COVID spitting out development into this, development into that, and there'll be different codes for those things. So the next book that we're going to update the AMA is going to update, or whoever owns this portion, whoever's doing this book. Let me see. Right, American Medical Association. They'll update it and put the new stuff in there. Okay, but that's the only thing I wanted to let you guys know about that. That U code, U07.1, because remember, like last year, it wasn't in there. Now it's in there. It's in the U section, but it's not like alphabetic. They put it in the last portion of the ICD-10 book. Okay, I'm just looking over here to see what else I had over in here for you guys. Okay, so if you guys do want to join the Edmudo class, just let me know, and I have to send you an email. Now, a lot of you guys that are in this Sapphire Physician program, you're not in this class, so I don't send you emails unless you say, Ms. Lambert, put me in that class. I'll put you in there. Okay, so what else do we want to talk about really quickly? It's 5:53. Okay, so you guys know I gotta watch Jaws when Jaws come. I like total Jaws. My friend just told me, "Oh my God, you're watching Jaws." Yeah, I can't help it. Yeah, I remember when I first saw that movie. Anyway, that's the scenario for right now. I'm just kind of looking in here. I looked on Amazon for the new book for the official CPC certification guide, the new one. I didn't see it. And they don't even have it out in the AAPC yet. I gotta check on there and see if it's out. But look for your new CPC guide. Don't forget to get your CPC guide. You still need that. When you guys look at my book, just do a little bit of review. I don't even have that in front of me because I'm getting ready to shut down. But next week we'll have that in order. But we're gonna post this on YouTube. So just take a look at it, and you guys shoot me an email and let me know. Okay. Later.